Hello, my name is Nicholas Willis. I'm with the Woodlands Nature Station, and welcome to our purple martin colony. Now, we keep regular track of each gourd and how many nesting pairs or babies they all have, so that's why all of ours are numbered. And with that, and because we have several different kinds of gourds that we've had over the years, we've got a little map of where they all go and what positions they all need to go in. Because like I said, we've got kind of an amalgamation of different gourds over the years, and so some of them have different shapes, some of them connect in slightly different ways, and it just helps us to have a little map here to make sure that we can put them up in the way they need to go up. Saves us a lot of time and energy on this end of things. So here over the next few minutes, I'm going to be putting up our last 3 poles worth of gourds, and that will mean that we are fully set and ready for martin season. We know when to put our gourds up because we keep track with the Purple Martin Watch program. They track all the martins as they come in. People can register when they first see martins. And so then we just watch the northward progression, and once they start arriving in good numbers around the Nashville, Clarksville areas in Tennessee, that lets us know that we need to get our racks up and ready. We start with just putting 1 rack up, and then once we see a few scouts starting to arrive, we'll quickly, within the next week or so, put the rest of the gourds up, which is what we're doing today. All right. Should be about right.